It seems these parrots are eating
They
dry
love
seeds
dry
from dry drumsticks. Every morning in month of April they were coming to enjoy dry drumsticks.
Every morning outside my window I hear a beautiful
It seems these
song.
parrots are eating dry seeds from dry drumsticks.
My head off of my pillow so I can sing along.
The only species I have ever seen enjoying dry drumsticks.